There was a lady that was working with me that wanted me to go ahead and join her team.
Well, unfortunately, right now they're not switching teams due to COVID, but
Yeah.
they are still in the diamond teams. If you have questions for them, they're in building 158.
Okay, so they've moved buildings?
The diamond team, no, they're just down through the breezeway.
Is there a new breezeway?
No, you go out this door, turn right.
Okay.
Where the lab is.
Uh-huh.
It's past the lab, and when you reach the white, you go to the right. It says like gold, diamond.
Okay.
It's over there.
Okay, because they blocked off this over here.
Right, because they're doing construction.
Yeah.
So if you go out the door, take a right.
You need to pull your mask up, sir.
Okay, what would be the result if I didn't?
I'll have the police escort you out.
Okay.
And you can call the police right now if you're going to be this quick, because you shouldn't have been able to get through there without a mask. So they gave you a mask, and you can hit the panic buttons right now.
You're going to go that deep on this?
Yes, because it is a federal recommendation, and that's what everybody's doing.
Okay, it's a recommendation, not a law. And if you're threatening to...
It's an executive order still by the president. You sign the executive order. You are going to decide the executive order to wear them. So I don't like wearing them. I don't.
Okay.
But while I'm on property, I have to wear it.
Okay, well, I'm not one to back down from a disagreement. Like I said, when I go ahead and, so you just hit the panic key so that, you don't even call them and let them know what's going on.
That's the way they come and they see. I mean, if you're not willing to do it, you're not allowed on property.
Okay, well,
Whether you like it or not, I don't like it. I can't, I mean, as soon as you leave the property, you can do whatever you want, but when you're on federal property, you have to follow the mandate.
okay, well, every time I do, I have problems breathing, and I have problems breathing.
I understand, so then you have to have some sort of face covering, whether it be a face shield or face mask on.
And I don't have the money for a face shield. And obviously the face mask makes me sick. It makes it hard for me to breathe.
Okay.
So, and now my anxiety is kicking in because you're going to call the police on me.
They're just going to escort you. They're not going to handcuff you or anything like that. If you're not willing to wear it on property,
you are being video recorded.
that's fine.
Okay. You agreed to the videotape.